Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to operate Acorn chairlift step by step. Start by turning off power and inspecting the rail for damage, debris, or loose fasteners, and clear the area. Wear comfortable clothing that won't snag and have a family member nearby for a quick check. Confirm the seat, footrest, and safety belt move freely and lock properly. If anything feels stiff or noisy, stop and contact a technician for inspection. Begin by sitting squarely and fastening the safety belt to prevent slipping during the ride. Use the hand control's smooth press to go up or down, avoiding sudden or jerky inputs that stress the motor. Keep feet on the footrest and hands inside the armrests until the unit fully stops. If the remote or control does not respond, check batteries and power connection before attempting another run. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more practical guides. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep food secure during transfers, which is great when managing mobility routines and busy schedules. They seal tightly, stack well, and simplify lunches for caregivers and users alike. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When you reach your destination, press the control to stop and wait for the unit to power down completely before standing. Fold the seat and footrest only when the rail is clear and the chair is parked at a designated stop to avoid collision. Wipe the rail with a dry cloth and check batteries monthly, keeping the charging station unobstructed. If you notice unusual sounds or reduced speed, schedule a professional service check right away.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.